Garlic is a popular herb used in a number of different cooking recipes to enhance the flavor of our foods. However, not only is garlic used to improve the taste of the foods we eat, but it is also incredibly healthy and can promote our overall health in many ways. It contains unique and potent compounds, is heart healthy, and can help to boost our immunity. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic regularly. First, garlic is incredibly nutrient dense and contains many vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are important for the health of our body. Garlic is a great source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, calcium, copper, and thiamin, among many others. It is also a good source of fiber, antioxidants, a unique and potent compound known as allicin, and has medicinal properties. When consumed regularly, garlic can also help to improve and boost immunity and the overall function of the immune system. This is often attributed to its high levels of nutrition, such as vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help to eliminate free radicals and oxidative stress in the body that can compromise the immune system. Also, garlic has antibacterial properties that can reduce the risk of certain types of disease and infections while boosting immunity. Garlic is also well known for its ability to promote heart health and can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. When consumed regularly, garlic can help to significantly reduce and regulate blood pressure levels. As well, garlic can help to reduce both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels, as studies have indicated. The high levels of antioxidants and nutrition are also helpful in this regard. Surprising to some, but garlic can also help to reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. This is because garlic contains potent antioxidants that can prevent oxidative damage and support protective mechanisms against free radicals and oxidative stress. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Lastly, by consuming garlic regularly, it can help to improve overall bone health and decrease bone loss, especially as we get older. Garlic is high in bone-healthy nutrients, such as calcium and manganese. Also, regular consumption of garlic can help to prevent unwanted bone ailments, such as osteoporosis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.